There's a couple different ways that you can cook on a birch barrel. I'm going to introduce you to the Santa Maria style, or basically cooking over an open flame. Got my coal pan set at about the 5th notch. You want to have it set anywhere between the 5th and the 7th notch, depending on your anticipated height of your flame. In this case, I'm cooking with tri-tips. If I were to leave it as is, I would basically just burn through this tri-tip. So we're going to deploy that Santa Maria style, which is simply lowering the lid, locking it into lock collar, and raising your food up over that flame until you find your desired temperature. So you can use this style or technique to get your food out of a flare-up. So if you're cooking a greasy hamburger, instead of having to take the burger off, you can just raise it up, continue cooking, get a really good sear with it. From here, I'm going to maintain my fire, add wood if I need to. As my coals die down, I could lower my food down closer to it. As I add more wood, flames getting higher, simply raise it up. Again, just finding the temperature that I want. When I'm ready to flip my food, just bring it down. Flip your food. Get it back up. Repeat as needed. And enjoy your meal.